Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Teams to a Bluetooth headset on Windows 11. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Windows 11 device. Ensure your Bluetooth headset is fully charged. Turn on your Bluetooth headset. Put your headset into pairing mode. To enter pairing mode, refer to the manufacturer's instructions for your specific headset. Click on the Start menu in Windows. Select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, click on Devices. Choose Bluetooth and other devices from the left sidebar. Toggle the Bluetooth switch to the on position if it is off. Click on Add Bluetooth or other device. In the Add a Device window, select Bluetooth. Wait for your Bluetooth headset to appear in the list of available devices. Once it appears, click on your headset's name to connect. A confirmation message may appear once connected. Now close the Settings window. Open Microsoft Teams on your device. In Teams, click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Navigate to Devices in the left sidebar of the Settings menu. Under the Audio Devices section, look for the drop-down menu. Select your connected Bluetooth headset as the output device. If necessary, select the same headset for the microphone input as well. Adjust the volume settings for your headset if needed. To test the audio, use the Make a Test Call option within Teams. Follow the prompts to ensure sound quality is satisfactory. Your Bluetooth headset is now successfully connected to Microsoft Teams. You are ready to join meetings and communicate effortlessly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.